What we're going to do now is go through a quick example on the greatest common factor. What we're going to do is let's find the greatest common factor of 36 and 54. As you probably know, you start off by breaking down these numbers into prime numbers. So 36, I can see that one is made up of 3 times 12. And I can see that 12 is made up of 3 times 4. And I can see the 4 is made up of 2 times 2. And now we're down at the bottom here with this 3, and these two 2's. They're all prime numbers. So I'll just write them out again at the bottom here. 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. 54. Well, it's definitely a multiple of 9, so that's 9 times 6. The 9 is made up of 3 times 3. The 6 is made up of 3 times 2. So writing all those out, 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. Now let's just find the common factors from this list and this list. And what I can see there is I've definitely got a 3 times 3 times 2. Basically both of them have a pair of 3's and both of them have at least one 2. So when I multiply these ones out, 3 times 3 times 2 is 18. The greatest common factor of 36 and 54 is 18. What you might also see somewhere in some books is they write these bits out a little bit differently. They would write 3 squared times 2 squared here, and up here they would write 3 cubed times 2. Essentially it's doing exactly the same thing. When I look at the two red numbers, I can see that in common both of them contain a 3 squared and both of them contain a 2. And again the answer is 18. So they're doing exactly the same thing, they're just writing out it a little bit different.